Today we are going to be taking a look at the open road 4x4 winch, 13,000 pound capacity synthetic rope, and we're going to be mounting it not on the front but on the rear of the Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to mount it. I'm going to show you how to mount it with a trailer. We're also going to be doing a real-world test by winching up a broke down 91 Buick Regal onto a car haul trailer. One benefit of having a rear recovery with a winch, I'm going to show you, is that you can just put your winch in the back of your truck bed and then put it on when you need it. Now this is a dual hitch extender. This is going to allow me to mount my trailer hitch mount along with the trailer. The trailer hitch pin in on the bottom portion. Mount your trailer, then you can put your winch up on the top. Then you can mount your pin right here. And to secure it, you can get a pin with a lock. So how do we get power to this? You can always just hook up a battery. Or even better, use Anderson quick connect connectors and run wire to the front. I'm planning on mounting an Anderson connector with a weatherproof cover in my truck bed to give this and an air compressor power. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video. Right, let's unbox the winch. This is an open road 4x4 synthetic 13,000 pound winch. Shackle, hardware, looks like a negative ground cable. There's the winch. It's got a hand remote, two regular remotes, fair lead, and tag, and then the winch. Putting together the trailer hitch mount is pretty easy. It's just got two arms. The harder part is probably mounting the winch itself. Let's mount our dual hitch extender. And I picked this up at Harbor Freight. You can see how this is going to work here. Let's mount the winch. It mounts from the bottom. And let's put on a fair lead and trailer hitch. That negative ground wire takes a 14mm socket. You can see I've got it hooked up to a battery right here. Let's test this and see how it works. All right, let's bring it in. All right, it's time for the real world test. Turn it on. Okay, straighten it up.
Straight. Good.
Okay, just leave it neutral. Let off the brake. Okay, turn it to the left just a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. All right, let's secure down this classic old Buick. Let's hit the road. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.